Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a grocery haul and a revamp of our refrigerator. It is in dire need to be cleaned and get everything ready. So let's jump into it. Hey guys, so we got our meat. This chicken I usually split in half and we use it for 2 nights. I'll make anything with this at barbecue. I always like to have chicken on hand. Then we got our eggs. We got 3 beef. So we're gonna make goulash and then shepherd's pie and tacos. Tacos are always in this night. We got bacon for the morning. Ham. Good job, buddy. I'm going to make a pot roast and you'll see with some of the veggies. I'll tell you what I put in there. My son is obsessed with these. He eats them all the time. We don't usually get cereal because we're not really cereal people, but these were on sale at our local store, so I was like, why not? And my husband does love this kind, and then the boys love the little marshmallows, but they don't have that often. So we have some pancake mix, goldfish, sour cream for our tacos. Here's my little snack. I love these things. So good. I can't order these I can't order groceries without getting these. They're crazy good. My son loves them, both of them actually. And then we get Go-Gurts for quick snacks. Cottage cheese is a staple in our house. Everybody loves that. I get these little Wegman brand yogurts. These are the only milk we'll have in the house as a Fairlife. I know there was a controversial for a little while ago, but they're really good and they have good ingredients, and I really like them so far. Apple juice, juicy juice. My kids don't have this often, but they'll have it for lunch once in a while. Wraps for tacos and bagels. Bread. I drink these crazy. I love them. They give me so much energy. Sometimes I will replace this instead of having coffee. Just plain avocado dip with our chips. For our fruits, I have some grapes, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, bananas, some apples. My son loves apples. Lunchables. My kids are in love with Lunchables, so I usually just get 2. I accidentally got 3. No big deal. I also ordered all this from Instacart because I am never I don't like going to the grocery store, so I always order these. My husband hates these, but my sons love them, so we get them. These little mini muffins my sons will eat all the time. This is for my roast, potatoes for my roast, an onion for my roast. Those for one of the chicken dinners. And then if you come over here, I usually do fresh produce and like broccoli and stuff, but they didn't have a good selection today. So I got broccoli, beans, cheese, some lettuce. What's wrong? Yes, hold on one second. And yeah, that's what I got. So I'm going to show you how I fit all this into my fridge, and we're going to clean and cut my produce and come along with me. Fridge, it definitely needs a good cleaning out. I think the only thing that really needs to go, I feel like I checked this all last night when I was doing grocery shopping, is this. This is pretty much my husband's leftovers. And we have hamburger out tonight, and I will show you how I turn this into an organized and functional fridge. Okay, so let's get started right away. So I always start by soaking our veggies and fruit. I use the Thieves cleaner. I'm going to show you that in a second. There we go. It's the fruit and veggie cleaner. I love it. I feel like it makes our veggies last so much longer than normal. And I just start soaking. I just throw everything all in there at once. It kills bacteria. It gets all the yucky stuff off. So that's how I usually do it. And we'll see. Okay, so now it is time to put everything away, and I'm just going to try to reorganize and organize. My fridge never stays the same. I always change it depending on what we have that day. So I usually put meat in that is for the next day so that I don't have to defrost it. And it's just there. I think we're going to have tacos tomorrow, so that's why I put that in there. And then I always put the snack drawer and the drinks in here so my kids can easily access them. They don't have soda or anything, but the snacks especially. And I do put 1 or 2 apple juices down there so that they can get them while they want. So they kind of develop an independence. And I always put their apples in there. It's a tradition for us to have those apple sauces. I'm telling you, I buy them all the time. It's absolutely crazy. Let me know in the comments what you guys put in your fridge or what kind of snacks you do for your little ones, because I feel like we constantly have these. They're not tired of them, but I don't know. I just kind of want to spice it up a little bit so they're not eating the same thing over and over again. Yeah, so we start with that. And yeah, so I just keep going with this until I find the right work. Sometimes I move things around. I usually try to put like all my snacks in one area, all my husband's snacks in one area, my boys' snacks, just so that we all get our own stuff because we all like different stuff. You know, same thing. Yeah, so here we go. pretty good. I'm going to try to upload every Sunday. If you want to follow along, click that follow button and like, and I will see you next week. Thanks, guys.